Hello everyone, today we'll be talking about how to diagnose, troubleshoot, and fix common computer issues. Whether you're dealing with a slow system, crashes, or connectivity problems, this guide will help you systematically resolve them. Let me introduce our group. We have Eden Garcia as your voiceover, Zine Aguilar and Camille Chavez as script and editor, and we have the researchers which is Jared Gatos, Andrew Puso, Cristo Cortez, Isabel Alquero, and Raven Labong. Introduction. Computers are an essential part of our daily lives, but they can run into various issues, both hardware and software related. This presentation will teach you a structured way to troubleshoot problems and find solutions efficiently. The goal is to minimize downtime and keep your computer running smoothly. Basic troubleshooting steps. Before diving into complex solutions, always start with the basics. First, restart the computer. This fixes minor glitches. Second, check power connections and ensure all cables are secure. Third, verify the external devices like mouse, keyboard, and monitor are properly connected. And fourth, pay attention to any error messages and take note of them as they provide important clues about the issues. Identifying the problem. When troubleshooting, the first question to ask, is this a hardware or a software issue? If your computer is completely unresponsive, it could be a power or hardware problem. If you're seeing crashes, slow performance, or error messages, it might be software related. Consider recent changes. Did you install new software or update drivers? Also, note whether the issue happens consistently or at random times. This helps narrow down potential causes. Common hardware issues. Let's talk about some frequent hardware problems and their solutions. If your computer won't turn on, check power cables and try another power outlet. Second, if it keeps overheating and shutting down, clean out dust from fans, apply new thermal paste, and ensure proper ventilation. Third, if you're hearing beeping sound, your motherboard may be giving an error code refers to the manufacturer's beep code chart. Fourth, if your system is running slowly, check CPU and RAM usage in Task Manager and scan for malware. Next is common software issues. Now, let's look at common software problems and their fixes. First, if your computer takes forever to start up, disable unnecessary startup programs. Second, if it crashes frequently, update drivers, check overheating, and scan for malware. Third is if you see the infamous blue screen of death, note the error code, update drivers, and check hardware connections. Fourth, if your internet isn't working, restart your router, check network settings, and update your Wi-Fi or internet drivers. Diagnostic tools. To help diagnose problems, use these built-in window tools. Event viewers to check system logs for errors, which is the window event viewer. Next is Task Manager. Task Manager is to monitor CPU RAM and disk usage. Next is Device Manager. Device Manager is to find drivers issues. Next is Safe Mode. Safe Mode which lets you boot into minimal system environment to troubleshoot software problems. Advanced troubleshooting. For more persistent issues, try this advanced solution. Run chkdsk to check for disk errors. Use SFC scan now to scan and repair corrupt sys files. Update your BIOS if your system is experiencing hardware issues. If all else fails, consider resetting Windows as a last resort. Preventive maintenance. Preventing issues is always better than fixing them. Follow these best practices. Keep your operating system and software updated. Regularly scan for malware and viruses. Clean up unnecessary files and defragment your hard drives. Always back up your important data to prevent data loss in case of system failure. Lastly, the conclusion. To summarize, start by identifying whether the problem is hardware or software. Use a structured troubleshooting process to find solutions. Utilize diagnostic tools to pinpoint issues. Perform regular maintenance to prevent future problems. And remember, if you're ever in doubt, seek professional help. Thank you for your time.